Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I am very excited to announce the winner of the Spring Prima YouTube Hop. Before I announce the winner, I'd like to thank several people. First, I'd like to thank my wonderful co-host, Michelle Randolph. Her YouTube channel is Shabby, Chic, Chik. She is not only my crafty BFF, but I draw so much inspiration from her. She is a wonderful crafter. I'd also like to thank the designers that participated in the hop. Yesterday, I released a designer showcase video featuring all of the wonderful projects that they created in this hop. If you haven't had a chance to see it, please check the description box below for a link to the video. And last but not least, I'd like to thank all of our wonderful new and existing subscribers. Thank you so much for taking time to watch the videos, leave a comment, and also for subscribing to our channels. My giveaway prize is a $30 online gift card to ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 online retail locations. You can visit them on the web or on their Etsy store. They have a broad range of crafting materials, everything you need to make beautiful projects. Before we see who the lucky recipient is, I did want to remind you that I used YouTube comment picker to select the winner. So let's see who the winner is. And the winner is GG Scrap N. Once again, the lucky winner is GG Scrap N. She said, "I love Julie Nutting dolls. You created a gorgeous project using them." Well, thank you so much, GG Scrap N. Please be sure to contact me within 72 hours. I will be sure to include my contact information in the description box below. Congratulations once again to GG Scrap N. Do you want to win more prizes? All you have to do is visit each of the channels participating in this YouTube hop. They will all be giving away fun prizes. Thanks so much for watching and for participating in the Spring Prima YouTube hop. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Please feel free to watch my videos to find more crafting ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.